Biology, Garbage in, Garbage out. NCERT textbook, Class 6, Part 2. Segregation of garbage. Separation or segregation of garbage is a non-hygienic and slow process. So, another word for segregation is separation. Separation of what? Separation of garbage is a non-hygienic process. Okay, there is no cleanliness and it is a very slow process. It can also adversely affect the health of the person segregating the waste. Okay, so it can adversely affect the health of the person. So garbage should be separated or segregated at the point of its generation. At the point of when it is made, that time only it should be separated. So municipalities provide separate dustbins for collecting two types of garbage. What are the two types of garbage? Let us see it in the next slide. Two types of dustbins. So here you can see one green dustbin and one blue dustbin. Okay. This is the green dustbin and the second one is the blue one, as you can see. So the green dustbin, biodegradable only, means in the green dustbin we can put biodegradable waste only, and the blue one non-biodegradable only. So whenever you go in a shop or in a mall and if you want to throw something, there will be two dustbins kept. Please throw the waste accordingly. Okay. So what we can put in green dustbin? Let's see. We can put fruits and vegetable peels or cuts, kitchen waste, animal dung or waste, or bones and meat. All this you can put in biodegradable or green dustbin. Okay. And non-biodegradable, what you can put? Plastics, metals, glass, e-waste. E-waste meaning electronic waste. That all you can put in the blue dustbin, that says non-biodegradable only. How to reduce generation of garbage? So let's see how we can reduce generation of garbage. It is important to reduce generation of waste. This can be achieved by the practice of 3 R's. So what are the 3 R's? The 3 R's are reduce, reuse and recycle. There is an image, nice image for this. Reuse waste, reduce waste and recycle waste. Let's see those one by one. First one is reduce. We can reduce waste by throwing less. Okay. So do not buy a new school bag, lunch box or pencil box when you already have a perfectly usable one. Carry your own cloth bag when you go for shopping to avoid the use of polythene bags or plastic bags. Use metal or china plates instead of disposable plastic paper plates and cups. Take as much food on your plate as you can eat. Use ink pens instead of ball pens, ballpoint pens, as ink pens can be refilled. Okay, so first one, do not buy a new school bag, lunch box or pencil box. If you have a perfectly usable one, then carry your own cloth bag, use metal or china plates, take as much food on your plate as you can eat it. Okay, and use ink pens or gel pens instead of ball pens, because ink pens can be refilled. Ball pens are just use and throw. Reduce your waste from this much to here. Recycle more and throw out less. Next, we will see reuse. Reuse is to use an item more than once. Plastic jars in which we get food items like pickles and jams can be reused later on for storing things like salt, sugar, spices, etc. Mats can be made from old clothes. Old clothes and furniture should be donated to the poor so that it can be reused. Reuse old newspapers to make carry bags or old charts to cover your books, notebooks and files. Paper napkins can be replaced with cloth napkins which can be washed and reused. Please pause the video and read all these points, okay, for reusing waste or items. Reuse your waste. Then the last R is recycle. It is also very important. Recycling is the process of converting waste materials into new materials and objects. So let's read what it says. Old newspapers are recycled to make tissue paper and cardboard. Materials like glass, metal, plastics and paper are collected, separated and sent to recycling industries where they are recycled to make fresh glass, metal, plastic and paper products. By recycling paper, we can save many trees. The mineral resources of any country are precious and exhaustible. Therefore, recycling is very important. So, old newspapers are recycled to make new paper. Glass, metal, plastic, paper are collected, sent to recycling industries where fresh glass, metal, plastic and paper products are made. And recycling is a very important process because the mineral resources of the country are saved. Their mineral resources are precious and exhaustible. Exhaustible means what? That those resources will get over quickly. So the third part, do check out the third part of this chapter as well.